guess who do know who that is? I'm sure you guys do know her son, Mr. Anderson Cooper, Mr. CNN. And now so it's just a little bit. And the rest of that platform estate there was all for Mr. Wayne Huizinga himself. So I want you guys to look at his blue bell tower there on the left-hand side. So up top there, played over 1,000 of Wayne's favorite songs throughout those bells. On the second level there, you got the hot tub to enjoy a beautiful night like it is tonight. And down below there for Mr. Wayne Huizinga used to wave to us as we pass by. But once you guys to do me a bigger favor there, it might be a little important to see if I can shine it for you guys here. I want you guys to look super close at that blue bell tower. Do you guys see all that gold trimming there on the side of the blue bell tower? It might be a little hard to see. You guys see it there? It's shining back at us. See all that gold trimming? That is all real 24 karat inlaid gold. Alright guys, these billionaires spare no expense.
Did you guys come to have a good time tonight?
Yay!
All right. I know you guys know this. When the night has come, oh, and the lamp is out, and the moon is the only
Yes. Oh, I can't really see her.
You come on, black top, he come moving up slowly. It's not too eyeballs.
Here you go, baby. Oh, wow. Hey, hey, hey.
Understand that the touch of your hand makes my pulse react. And it's only the first, but a second-hand emotion. Hold on.
What's love got to do? Got to do? Hey.
Who needs the heart when the heart has to be broken? Now there's gonna be little things we do in the middle. Just follow me if you get lost from right back here. How my ladies looking, everybody?
Right.
Every now and then, we like to think you guys like to hear something from us nice and easy. There's just one thing, you see. Me and the ladies here, we never ever like to do anything nice and easy. Ain't that right, ladies? We like to do it nice and rough, but we're gonna do it nice and easy and rough. And we're rolling,
Hey, hey.
rolling on the river, on that river, oh, here we go, follow, big waves, they keep on turning, round there it keep.
Hey.
I want y'all to sing it with me.
Yeah.
Here we go. said a hip hop, the hip it to the
Mama,
hip
get
hop.
that
You don't stop
man.
or rock it to the bang bang boogie. Say up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. Now
Come
what
on,
you
baby.
hear is
Come
not a
thing.
test to the
Hey,
rocket,
hey.
choose the beat, and me the groove. Drop top roll for it, twist my tongue with the kick, yeah, and I won't break one rib, I break your whole slap. I kick it again, I kick it kinda wicked, but when I'm on this microphone, consider me your wicked. Cause I rip the same bang, the boogie to the boogie, say up, jump the boogie to the bang bang boogie, let's rock. You don't stop, rock the rhythm that'll make your body rock. Now so far you heard my voices and I brought two friends along. And next on the mic is my man Hank. Come on, Hank, sing this. Check it out. I'm the C-A-S-N, the O-V-A, and the rest is F-L-Y. See, I go by the code of the doctor, the look at these reasons, I'll tell you why. Cause I'm 6'1", I'm tons of fun, and I dress to a T. I said I got more clothes than Muhammad Ali, and I dress so vicious. I got bodyguards, I got two big cars, it definitely ain't the whack. I got a Lincoln Continental and a sunroof Cadillac. So after school, I take a dip in the pool, which is really on the wall. I got a color TV so I can see the Knicks play basketball. Here we talking about checkbook, credit cards, mobile league. I did a something. Yeah, what y'all do? Say if your friends talk. What y'all do? What's my name? What? Yeah. So what you gonna do? Well, it's on and on and on and on and on. To beat those stop until the break of dawn. I said the M-A-S.
Mundas adik kan, gak mundas.